Hey guys, welcome back to Daisy Crochet, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Thanksgiving crochet ideas. I have never made a ideas video that's themed around Thanksgiving specifically before, although we do have a bunch of fall ideas videos here on the channel, so if you want to check those out after this video, you can go right ahead because they'll give you even more ideas for this season. But I actually got this idea just this past weekend because it was actually Canadian Thanksgiving, which is my Thanksgiving that I celebrate. So I was like, dang it, I should have done a Thanksgiving ideas video because I was thinking of so many things that like were crochet that I was using and like things that I wanted to make for Thanksgiving next year. And then I was like, wait a minute, Thanksgiving is still like over a month away for Americans, and I don't really know what other countries celebrate Thanksgiving or who celebrates it what month, but I know that American Thanksgiving is in November. So I was like, there's still time and I can share these ideas with you guys, and some of you guys can make Thanksgiving themed crochet ideas for this year. So sorry to any Canadians who might have wanted some inspo, because I'm one of them, I'm with you, but I'm just gonna make some of these things for next year, and they'll still kind of be suited to the fall season in general, a lot of them. So some of them you can probably still make and put up in your house regardless of if Thanksgiving is over or not. Anyways, I have a whole bunch of ideas for you, and the Pinterest board for all of the ideas that I'm showing you will be linked in the description, so if you want to pin them or follow the patterns for them or use the picture as an inspo, that's where it will be for you. But let's just stop yapping and get right into all the ideas. Okay, I'm going to put a picture of the item over here for you guys, and there is 34 pins, so over 30 ideas for you, but they are not in any specific categories. Like, I didn't sort them, they're just all Thanksgiving ideas. So let's get right into it with the first one, and it is going to be this super cute turkey themed crocheted gnome. I am obsessed with gnomes. I've never crocheted a gnome before, but I do have Easter gnomes and Christmas gnomes that I have just purchased or gotten as gifts, and I love displaying them as decor. So I thought, why not a Thanksgiving gnome? You could also just do a regular gnome with like orange or like, you know, fall colors and display that instead. But I thought this turkey one was so cute and very fitting for Thanksgiving. I think I'm really far away from you guys, so hopefully you can hear me all right. But the next one, I actually really love this idea. Maybe a little time consuming depending on how many people come to your Thanksgiving dinner, but it is these silverware pockets. It also says this is a free crochet pattern, so that's really amazing. I really like the color of these ones and the style of them, and I thought this was just such a cute like way you could add crochet to the Thanksgiving table. I have a lot of different ideas, and you might not want to use all of them, but you might if you want your table to be super crochet forward. But I thought this one was a super cute way to get started with all of the like Thanksgiving table ideas, so I'm gonna give you. The next idea is going to be something I actually started making yesterday, and you guys will probably see it in an upcoming video. I'm not really sure, but it is these acorns. I think I've talked about these in my fall decor video, but I needed to include them in this Thanksgiving video too because they're so adorable. I am literally obsessed with making these right now. I haven't finished any like with the rope and the cinnamon stick, but I can't wait to do that. And you can do these in a bunch of different sizes. It's really easy as well. Like, I made one last night and it took like not any time at all. So you can make a whole bunch of these and put them in a bowl. Like, I love how they're displayed in this pin, and I think this could be such a cute like centerpiece or just like a decoration that you can put anywhere in your house. And I think it's perfect for like every month of fall, but like especially around Thanksgiving. Oh, next, this one is so cute, and I only saved one, but there's a ton of different ones out there. I just saved this one, and it is this apron. Oh my god, I would love to crochet an apron. I've actually always wanted to because I do a lot of baking and cooking, so I figured if you're like the one that makes Thanksgiving dinner or you help make Thanksgiving dinner, this could be a really great thing to make for yourself or even for like a family member. And this also says it's a free crochet pattern, so that's amazing, and I really like this one. I probably do more of like Thanksgiving colors rather than like this dark blue, but I really like it. I also think this one is only like a half apron technically, but I don't know, and I still really like it, and I really want to make one of these eventually, so hopefully someday I will. Next up, something that's very important, at least on my Thanksgiving, is these like hot pads or like like trivets. And so I have these acorn ones that I really love. They are so cute and they could honestly be used like at any time, especially during fall, but I think for Thanksgiving they are super cute, and I will have a few more of those on here likely as well because they are just a Thanksgiving staple in my opinion. Oh my god, next up, this is something I'm actually gonna buy the pattern for because I really want to make these. They just speak to me. But these are this super cute dishcloth set. I love these so much and I really want to make them and learn how to do the stitches for them because they're just so unique and cute, and I think this could be like a really good gift for like the host of your Thanksgiving dinner, or you could just make them to use. And I really love these. I want to make these as gifts really badly. I don't think I'm gonna do it this Christmas because we just got a whole bunch of washcloths, but maybe next year I will make these for my family because I think they are so cute. Okay, next up we have just something quick you can make. It is these like towel holders. I love these. I really want to make some for my apartment, and I love that these are like fall colors, but they also look super simple to make, so I'll probably make a few of these in not a lot of time. And I think they would be perfect for Thanksgiving. I'm trying not to like yap about each pin too much, so hopefully this video is not super short, but also like you guys can see the pictures so you guys know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean? But anyway, next, this is one that I've actually never seen before, and to be honest with you, I don't really know how safe they are, but I guess they're safe as long as they don't slip off. It is these handle covers for like a pan. I think they're really cute. I just don't know, like, you know, you don't want it to slip off, but it's kind of the same as like using an oven mitt or something. So I thought that was really cute, and also they probably wouldn't take very long to make. Next up, we have this granny stitch circle table mat. I think I also have a lot of like placemat type things on here because it's kind of like a good thing to use for Thanksgiving dinner specifically, but this one looks pretty simple, so I decided to add it, and I really think this could be a cute addition to your Thanksgiving table. Next up, we have this super cute give thanks pillow. I also think this has a pattern attached to it, which is really great. I love any sort of like tapestry pillow or decoration like this. You could probably just do a tapestry if you didn't want to make it into a pillow, but yeah, I love this. I think it's so cute. I also love that speckle yarn that they used. I've used that yarn before, I'm pretty sure, and I really like it. Okay, moving on. This next one is like not necessarily Thanksgiving decor, but you can still definitely use it around the Thanksgiving season, and it is this cup cozy. I really like this stitch. It reminds me of the stitch that I used to make a hat recently that you guys will see eventually in a vlog. It was called the wheat stitch, I think, but this is not the wheat stitch. It just looks like it kind of. But I love the colors of this. It's giving me candy corn vibes, and so I decided to include it if you wanted to make something like this around Thanksgiving. Next, we have something I really want to make, but I don't really have like the cute multicolored yarns for it yet, so I have to get some yarn for it. But it is these cobs of corn. I love these. I feel like you can do like a really cute basket with like literally like as many or as little of these things that I'm showing you as you want, but like personally I would like to try all of them. So like I would do some acorns, some corns, and then whatever else I'm going to show you. Like if there's pumpkins, you could do pumpkins and like gourds. I think it'd be really cool to do a display with like all of them, even like a cornucopia or something. Yeah, I love these. I think the colors are so cute and they are perfect for fall and Thanksgiving. Next up, I'm going to show you guys two wearables just in case you want to make yourself a sweater for Thanksgiving dinner, Thanksgiving time. So I have this granny square one, and these colors just scream Thanksgiving and fall, and I think this one would also be pretty easy and quick to whip up in terms of sweaters. And then I also have this super cute off the shoulder one that is brown. I think Fiona would really like to wear this to Thanksgiving. It's very much her style, but I also wanted to show you guys this one because I just thought maybe they want to crochet their Thanksgiving outfit. You probably get lots of compliments on it, so I say go for it. Okay, next up we have this super cute garland. I have shown you guys quite a few garlands over the course of this fall season, but I haven't shown you this one yet. I really like it. It's so cute. I'm hoping it's not AI. I don't think it is AI. But like, you know when you're not quite sure if something's AI or not? Yeah, but anyway, I think it's so cute, and you could definitely take inspo from this picture to make a garland similar to this. It has like pumpkins and leaves, and overall the colors are just so fall, and I would definitely do a garland like this one if I was gonna make a garland for fall. Next up, we have another placemat, and this one is like one of my favorites. It is a checkerboard stitch placemat, and it's super fall colors. I love these colors. It's kind of giving me pumpkin pie vibes, even though it literally doesn't look anything like pumpkin pie. It's just orange and beige, but I love it. I really like doing checkerboard stitches or style crochet stuff because it's kind of like engaging because you color change a lot, which some people might find annoying, but I don't really find annoying personally. So I think this would be a really cute placemat idea to do for your Thanksgiving table, or if you just wanted to do like one big one for like almost like a table runner but like for a smaller table. I think that would be a really cute idea as well. Okay, next we have some coasters. These ones are just super cute and kind of silly. They are these turkey ones, but again, it's kind of like the centerpiece idea for me. I would probably do a whole bunch of different coasters, and I'm going to show you a few more, and some of them would definitely be this turkey style because I think they're so adorable. Next up we have a plushie, and it is going to be this pumpkin pie turtle plushie. This has a free pattern attached to it, so I know I would definitely do that because I think that it's so cute, and I would really like to make something like this for like fall decor or Thanksgiving. Okay, next up we have this. It's kind of like a tapestry, but it has like bubble or puff stitches for the letters, and it's just this fall. It is so cute, and this is another thing you could leave up all year until like Thanksgiving is over. So I think that is a really great one because you'll get lots of use out of it. But if you wanted to just make it for Thanksgiving now, you totally can do that as well. And I really love the tassels on this, and I think it would just be a perfect addition to like your house decor. And yeah, I really love this one, and I've never made a tapestry with like bubble stitches before, but I really want to try that because I have been saving a lot of them recently and I think they're so cute. Okay, next we have a few more plushies. So we have this super cute turkey plushie. I love this one. It definitely looks like it's made with blanket yarn, which is great for me because that's what I use to make all my plushies. And yeah, I think it's so cute, and I would definitely make this. And then we also have this set of 3. It says it's free crochet patterns for an acorn, a pumpkin, and a mushroom. I just thought these were so cute as a little set that you could use for like a little display or something. I thought it was so cute. So those are the plushies. And then next up we have another pot holder. So this one is the pumpkin one with the free tapestry grid and pattern. I have talked about this one before in my fall decor video, and I just needed to talk about it one more time because I thought it was so cute and perfect for Thanksgiving and fall time. The next idea is a table runner, and I really liked this one because it looks like it's using like a multicolored yarn. So you just have to get like kind of a bunch of the same multicolored yarn, but you wouldn't have to color change or anything. And it also looks like a pretty simple pattern to me. Like I can kind of tell how they did it almost. So I thought this one would be good, especially if you don't have much time. Like you could whip that one up pretty quickly, I think. So I really love it, and I thought it was just another great idea. Next up we have pumpkin pie pot holders. You guys will have to let me know if you guys like eat pumpkin pie at Thanksgiving because a lot of ideas that came up when I was searching this theme are pumpkin pie. I feel like my family never has pumpkin pie at Thanksgiving. None of us like it, so I don't know, but I know a lot of people do. So I think this one is so cute and another great pot holder option, and it has a free pattern as well. Next up we have another tapestry pillow, but honestly you could probably also not make this one a pillow. It also like kind of looks like the same style as the give thanks one because it has the speckled yarn as the background, and I think it's just so cute with like the leaf as the A. I don't know why that works, but it does work. Like I can totally tell what it says, so I really like this one as well. Next up we have, in my opinion, one of the cutest ideas on here. It is the gourds set with free crochet patterns for all of them. That's crazy. I love these. I think they're so unique and cute, and I think you can make such a cute display for like a centerpiece or anywhere using these patterns. So I would definitely give these a try. Next up we have, I mean, technically the whole thing isn't crocheted, but it is this wreath and it has pumpkins in it, and you could kind of use any of the like pumpkins, acorns, etc. that I'm showing you to make this, but I thought it was really cute to like add some crocheted details to a fall wreath, and I would definitely do this someday, or do a fully crocheted wreath. I think that is such a cute idea, and it's something that you could like reuse every year, and I think it would be so perfect. Next up, it is this pumpkin garland. It also says it's upcycled. I'm not sure why, like I might be missing something here, but I thought it was cute, and it has a free crochet pattern. if you're really into like pumpkin decor, this one would be a great one to try out. Next up, these ones are really cute. I think my family would think these ones were really funny as well, and they are these glass pumpkin holders. You guys know what type of glass these are, and I'm not gonna say it because I don't really know what YouTube's rules are with that kind of thing, but I think they're so cute and I love them, and it would just be such like a cute like cup holder, and they probably wouldn't take that long to make either, so I thought that was a really unique idea. Okay, I had to take a brief break because my phone overheated and like turned black. So we'll go through the rest of these pretty quickly because I've only taken like a 2-minute break, so hopefully everything's fine. But I'm gonna go through the rest of these kind of quick, and the next one is going to be this give thanks centerpiece table runner type thing that you put in the middle of your table. And then there's also like crocheted pumpkins on each of the plates, which I thought was so cute. You could like let people take them home and like make all different colors. I thought that was a cute idea. But the rest of the display is like a tapestry style thing, and I really like it. It has cute leaves on the end, and I would definitely do something like this for my Thanksgiving table. And then we have another table runner next. This is also using like a multicolored yarn, I think. So there won't be any color changes or anything, but it's using like a thinner yarn and it's got very intricate details. It reminds me of like the ones that my great grandma has made because it's like kind of filet crochet style, and I really like it. It's just giving me Thanksgiving vibes. I don't really know what the design is supposed to be, but it's really cute. And then next we have this turkey, and it has a free pattern. I thought this turkey was so cute, and it's using acrylic yarn, which is kind of interesting for people who maybe don't use like chenille yarn or blanket yarn. I would really like to try this one personally, so I thought that was a great one to include. Then we have this Thanksgiving turkey leg. Oh my god, these are so cute. And then there's a little sign beside them that says gobble gobble. I just thought this whole thing was so cute, and I would totally make these as long as there was some sort of context like in this picture, because I think it's a great idea and kind of hilarious. And then another funny one is just this Thanksgiving turkey platter. It's so funny. Like, I don't know, I would maybe make this if like there was like little kids in my family and like they could use it as like toy food. But yeah, I think this one would be kind of fun to make and kind of weird, but I really like it, especially because like toy food was like my favorite toy growing up, so I thought this was so cute, and I probably would have been so excited if somebody made this for me or if someone had this at their Thanksgiving because I'm weird and I really like food. But anyways guys, that is all the ideas that we have on the Pinterest board. That was 34 Thanksgiving crochet ideas for you. I really hope that you guys got some inspo and you have some good ideas of what to make for Thanksgiving this year or next year if you're Canadian like me. But yeah, I thought this was a really fun video idea, and I wanted to make sure I got it out for you guys with lots of time left if you are American and celebrate Thanksgiving in November. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like it if you liked it and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Let me know which ones of these ideas you might make for Thanksgiving this year, and also tell me what you guys are crocheting right now because I'm so interested to hear your whips and what you're making while watching this video, because I think it's so fun to hear your ideas and you guys are just so creative. So anyway, I will stop yapping and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Video also says bye.